For our last stop in Canada, we drove to the southern tip of Vancouver Island, where we visited Victoria, the capital of British Columbia. We searched for a hidden waterfall at Sombrio Beach and camped at the beautiful Kowichan River Provincial Park.
Hello everyone, we're at Sombrio Beach. We are on a quest to find a hidden waterfall today.
Yeah, so we have driven all around Vancouver Island on some of the smallest, windiest, sketchiest roads to get here. And now we're going to do a 1.4 kilometer out and back hike and hopefully find this waterfall. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so the trail starts from the car park and then you walk down through the forest, and once you reach the beach, turn left and head along the pebbly beach. Alright, so this trail is completely unmarked and there's no signs or anything, so we have no clue if we're going in the right direction or not. We think we have found the trail, but let's see where this takes us. So we'll speak to you later and see if we got lost or not. Okay, so we think we've taken a wrong turn, so we're now heading back to the beach and continuing our search. Okay, so do not go down this way, it is the wrong way. Keep walking along the beach. Alright, so look at this crazy fog that's rolled in over this cove. Okay, so this is take number 2. We think we have the right spot now. We're going to head up this little path here and see how we go. Wish us luck. Alright, so I believe we're on the right track now. We can see other people on this trail, so this is much more promising. So let's go.
After walking up the trail from the beach, you will reach a narrow moss-covered canyon. As you approach, you will see the amazing hidden waterfall cascading down at the other end of the canyon.
Alright, so we took a couple of wrong turns along the way, but we eventually found the hidden waterfall and it is amazing.
Amazing everyone, and the water is cold and refreshing.
Yeah, so we nearly got lost. You walk all the way to the end of the beach where there's a cove, and then you'll see a little creek coming into the water. Walk up there and it's a very short walk from there. It's about 100 meters from the beach.
Good morning everyone! We're at the southern tip of Vancouver Island at Victoria, the capital of British Columbia.
Yeah, so we've done zero research on Victoria, so we have no clue what we're doing today.
We're gonna wing it today.
Yeah, so let's discover it together. Let's go.
Let's go.
We started off by exploring Victoria's inner harbour, the nearby Legislative Building and the historic Fairmont Empress Hotel.
Right behind us is the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia. Alright, so we went to the Visitors Information Centre and now we think we know what we're doing. So now we are going to Old Town, I believe.
Located in Victoria's Chinatown, Van Tan Alley, named after the game that was once played in its many gambling establishments. Now it's a tourist destination where people come to shop and wander through the super narrow alley. After all the walking around, we were starting to feel hungry, so we had dim sum at Don Mi in Chinatown.
Alrighty, we just had lunch at Don Mi dim sum place at Victoria Chinatown.
And we are stuffed. Mouse, cow, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, wolf, Pikachu. Okay, so we're at the sundial here. It's pointing to about 2 o'clock, and for August, plus 19.6 minutes, and it is now 25 past 2.
Well, yeah.
And it says down here that the time will be indicated by a shadow, plus or minus the minute shown on the month line. Alrighty, so we're now at Ogden Point Breakwater and we're now going to walk out to the end of the lighthouse. See you there. Alrighty, so tonight is very bittersweet for us. It's our last night of camping and we're here at Kowichan River Provincial Park. Check out our campsite. There's Naturia. Yeah, we can go over back here. We've got all this forest here. The having a little soiree where we got a pizza from Soprino's Pizzeria in Kowichan Lake. Looking good, Hawaiian pizza. I know that's very controversial, but that's what we got and that's what we like.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got this far, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time.